In this video, I'll show you how to verify LinkedIn account. LinkedIn account verification can mean a few different things. You can verify your identity, verify your workplace, or verify your email address, depending on what you want to confirm on your profile. LinkedIn says these verification options appear in the verification area on your profile, and the exact methods available depend on your country and eligibility. To get started, open your LinkedIn profile and look for the verification area. LinkedIn says you can usually go to your profile, open the More or Resources menu, then choose About this profile, and from there tap or click Verify Now if a verification option is available for your account. If you want to verify your identity, the process depends on where you are. LinkedIn says members in the US, Canada, and Mexico may verify through Clear. In India, identity verification can be done through DigiLocker. In many other countries, LinkedIn may offer identity verification through Persona. During these flows, you may be asked for a government-issued ID, a selfie, or both, depending on the provider and country. If your goal is workplace verification, LinkedIn says you may be able to verify your workplace by entering your current company email address and confirming it with a code sent to that email. This option is only available for eligible companies, so not every LinkedIn account will see it. You can also verify your email address separately, which is useful for account security and sign-in. LinkedIn says you can do this by going to Settings, then Sign-in, and Security, then Email Addresses, and selecting Send Verification next to an unconfirmed email. LinkedIn will email you a confirmation link to complete the process. If verification does not work the first time, LinkedIn has troubleshooting guidance for each method. Common issues include being in the wrong country for the verification type, having unclear ID photos, using an unsupported ID, or having mismatched account details. LinkedIn says accepted IDs for identity verification can include a driver's license, government-issued ID card, or passport, depending on the verification flow. A good tip is to make sure your profile details are accurate before you start, especially your name, company, and location. That can make the verification process smoother and reduce the chance of a mismatch. This is an inference based on LinkedIn's verification and troubleshooting requirements. That's how to verify LinkedIn account. Open your profile, go to the verification area, choose the type of verification available to you, and follow the steps to confirm your identity, workplace, or email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.